we're gonna be doing nature of roots, quadratic inequalities in A maths. Okay, so we have this question. Given that the equation has no real roots, find the range of values. Okay, now when we come across these type of questions, right, first thing we ask ourselves, I have no real roots. When I say I have no real roots, I immediately what comes to mind is discriminant. So my b squared minus 4ac is less than 0. That means I have to put my equation into the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So I can do my discriminant. Okay, now I want to find ranges of values of p, meaning I need to know my inequality. So I need to rearrange the terms to make it ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, so we bring your x squared over plus 2px. Then whatever nonsense, you just bring it over, equate it to 0. Because in the form ax squared plus bx plus c, right? So because we have two variables, it may be a bit different. But because we want x, so we focus on the x, don't focus on the p. So I know my a, b, c already. So my a is 1, because it's 1 here. Okay, then my b is 2p. Then my c is whatever that's left. Okay, can so I want to do my b squared minus 4ac. Because I know that it has no real roots, my b squared minus 4ac will be less than 0. So b squared minus 4ac less than 0. So sub in your values. 2p, everything squared, less than 0. Okay, remember everything squared, when you want to square, you square the whole thing plus bracket. Okay, these are the coefficient, if you all don't know, these are the coefficient. Alright, so let's do the maths. 4p squared minus 4 times 1 is 4. So we do it step by step so we won't confuse ourselves. Okay, 8p squared minus 8p is 12. Okay, after that we'll simplify. Minus 4p squared minus 8p plus 12. Okay, now at this stage, right, we need to factorize it, but we actually have a common factor of -4. Yes, I can divide by -4 throughout, but because there's a negative sign, right, we do step by step. We remove the negative sign first. So we flip the sign. When we flip the sign, we flip the inequality. Okay, when you divide by a negative number, inequality sign must flip. Okay, so after I flip ready, I have a common factor of 4 and I'll divide it by 4. Okay, then I'll do my factorization. So it's 3 1. Actually, I'll bring this over, easier for me. 3, this should be a plus, this should be a minus, okay. So what do I do next? Because they want me to find the range of values of p. That means I have to draw my thing. Okay, I'm gonna draw my thing. So because this is a coefficient of 1, it's a happy face graph. Okay, let's put your points. -3 and 1. Okay, so we will draw. Because it's more than 0, remember to always look at the sign here. Okay, look here. Okay, look here. If you look at the above, right, wrong already. So you must look at the final one. Look at final. Okay, when we look at the final, then we'll know, oh, you get it from the final one. Okay, so your final answer will be p less than -3, and next one is p is more than 1. Okay, that will give you your answer.